Aquoxis Pressure Washer is being marketed as a powerful tool that can turn your regular garden hose into a high-pressure cleaning machine. But the real question is whether it actually delivers effortless cleaning or just makes unrealistic promises. The product claims to use something called hydropower technology to boost your hose pressure and blast away dirt, grime, and stains without needing electricity. It's also advertised as a cheaper alternative to real pressure washers, which sounds appealing on the surface. However, this is where the biggest issue comes in. A simple hose attachment cannot actually increase water pressure beyond what your water supply provides. At best, it can narrow the stream to make it feel stronger, but it doesn't create true high-pressure cleaning like a real pressure washer. Many of these products follow the same pattern as previously exposed gadgets. They often claim things like 15 times more pressure, which isn't physically possible without a powered pump. In reality, they're just basic spray nozzles with marketing language added on top. There are also other red flags. The product is often sold with heavy discounts, countdown timers, and dramatic before and after images that may not reflect real results. Some reports suggest identical versions of this tool can be found online for just a few dollars, which raises concerns about pricing and branding. In actual use, tools like this may help with light cleaning, such as rinsing dirt off surfaces, but they won't handle tough stains like oil, mold, or deep grime the way a real pressure washer can. So, is Aquoxis an effortless cleaning solution or fake promises? It's not completely fake, but it's definitely misleading. The bottom line is that Aquoxis is essentially a basic hose nozzle with exaggerated claims, and it won't replace a real pressure washer for serious cleaning tasks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.